Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best beard trimmer with precision adjustable length settings. The all-in-one vacuum mustache trimmer by NAUQUOHZ. If you're looking for a high-performing grooming tool with smart features and sleek design, stay tuned for the next 5 minutes. Let's kick things off with what really sets this trimmer apart. Its precision dial with 20 adjustable length settings. Whether you're aiming for a light stubble, a neat beard line, or a full-grown Viking look, this trimmer lets you dial in your exact preference. With 2 included hair combs, you can easily achieve consistent results for your beard, chin, sideburns, or mustache. But here's where it gets even more impressive: the built-in vacuum system. This isn't just a buzzword. The trimmer captures up to 95% of trimmed hair as you go. That means no messy sink, no cleanup struggle, and no more clogging up your bathroom drains. After trimming, you simply empty the compartment and you're done. Clean and efficient grooming at its best. Performance-wise, this trimmer doesn't cut corners. It features replaceable stainless steel blades, designed for smooth cutting with no pulling, tugging, or skin irritation. The blades are friendly to all skin types, including sensitive skin, and offer consistent precision with every use. That's important when you're trying to shape your look with confidence. Now let's talk battery. This trimmer is cordless and boasts a long-lasting lithium battery that delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Charging is easy and fast with a USB-C cable, whether you're plugging it into a wall adapter, laptop, or even a power bank on the go. It's designed for modern lifestyles, whether you're at home, on the road, or even in a hotel room before a big meeting. It's also completely waterproof, making it suitable for both wet and dry use. Want to trim in the shower? Go right ahead. Afterward, just rinse it under running water and you're all set. It even comes with a cleaning brush to make regular maintenance hassle-free. Design-wise, the trimmer sports an ergonomic grip that feels solid and balanced in hand. It's sleek, lightweight, and easy to maneuver, especially helpful when you're working around tricky edges like your jawline or neck. And if you're looking for a thoughtful gift, this trimmer is a great pick. It includes a USB-C charging cable, adjustable length comb, and cleaning accessories, making it an ideal grooming gift for fathers, boyfriends, husbands, or even yourself. So to sum up, you're getting a highly customizable trimming experience, a vacuum system to keep things tidy, sharp, skin-friendly blades, extended battery life, and waterproof design, all in a single, stylish package. If you're looking for a practical, high-quality grooming tool without breaking the bank, this all-in-one vacuum beard trimmer from NAUQUOHZ checks all the boxes. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest, in-depth tech and lifestyle reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.